How to use credit balance in Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You will land to the home page. Now here you're going to find different items. Head over to the item that you want to purchase. In the case you cannot find those items in this page, at the top you're going to see the search box. You can go ahead and search for the item. So I'm going to select this item. Select the details of the item. Once we're done adding the items to the cart, head over to the cart section. For that, click on this option of cart. Once we're in the cart page, here you're going to find all the selected items. Now from this page, you can check in for the items that you want to purchase. Once we're done, click on checkout. Once we're in the checkout page, go ahead and select your shipping address. Then select your shipping method and scroll down. Now you can go ahead and select your payment method. Likewise, if you have coupon code, you can click on this option and apply it. Below coupon code option, you'll see the option of credit. You have to click on that option. Then type in the credit amount that you're going to use and click on apply. Once you have provided all the details and check all the details of your order, click on submit order. And with that, your credit balance will be used for a Temu purchase. So this way you can easily use credit balance in Temu. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.